No, font size is okay. I'm not too sure about the font itself. You do something about it.
आदित्य, क्या हाल है? गर्मा गर्म कॉफी. चल मैं पिलाता हूँ.
Hi. Sorry.
It's okay.
पहचाना नहीं मैंने आपको.
अरे we met just once 10 years ago. Remember?
नहीं.
अरे हाँ, पहचानोगे कैसे? I've grown since then by 9%.
Of course. 9 kilos you mean?
No, by 9%, not kgs.
Thank you. Why? No. I'll buy coffee. I'll pay
no,
for it.
I'll pay for it. हाँ, pay for it.
Thank you.
चल, गोवा चलते.
Who told you about Goa?
अरे I know about Goa. Let me buy you that smartphone you always wanted.
Why? Why will you buy me a new phone? Why are you trying to pay for everything? Is this some kind of a joke? Is there a hidden camera around or something?
You paid for everything once 10 years ago.
Wow, I paid for everything once 10 years ago.
Remember?
10 years ago.
एक बार इन्वेस्ट करने से 10 साल में हो सकता है क्या क्या कमाल. And Aditya has shown it without even realizing it. Why? Because 10 years ago he made a smart choice in investing that one time in Bharti AXA Life Invest Funds, and now he can reap the benefits from that one single premium. पर कहानी आगे और भी इंटरेस्टिंग है.
So the bank statement, PAN card copy. No.
बचाओ!
Sorry. Just a phobia.
Calm down.
I'm calm. Help! I can't die in a lift.
कहीं मेरी शादी भी नहीं हुई अभी तक.
कार लोन पे करना पड़ेगा.
Breathe.
मम्मी डैडी का क्या होगा?
Hold
Breathing.
it,
Yes,
hold it.
I'm breathing. Okay. What are you doing? Is that for me?
No. For your parents. कुछ हो जाता तो? Coffee. आदित्य शायद भूल गया हो, मगर it's an easy thing to remember because when you invest that one time in Bharti AXA Life Invest Funds, you get an option to take a life insurance cover which gives you 10 times the cover, so that if something happens to you, your loved ones don't get stuck, and neither will this story.
Seven 351. जब मैंने किया था ना, so 10,468. यार मुझे फंसना नहीं है टैक्स के चक्कर में. बाद में
It's only 7,351 only.
अरे रख लो, ऐश करो, इतना तो बनता है बॉस.
So are you paying him the balance?
अरे you have already paid for it, sir. Tax benefits.
What tax benefit? Tax
Don't you see?
tax benefits.
Why should taxes always be taxing? Right? Aditya made a good choice when he invested that one time in Bharti AXA Life Invest Funds. He also opted for tax exemptions under Section 80C and 1010D. See, isn't that smart? अब आगे देखो होता है क्या? Nice features, no?
Yeah.
है ना?
I mean अच्छा है, पर screen size थोड़ा. I think this one. What do you think?
हाँ, ये भी अच्छा है.
ये थोड़ा high end भी है. The screen is also nice.
This is nice. This nice.
How about a phablet?
This is the best.
कान पे बड़ा नहीं लगेगा थोड़ा?
नहीं, it's suiting your personality also. यही लेंगे.
I think I'll go with this one only.
No.
थोड़ा महंगा है.
नहीं, वो वाला लेंगे.
अरे, I don't have the money to buy
अरे, you
this
have the
one.
money to buy this.
Next time.
चल.
अरे,
you can afford it. Selfie. जब करना हो शॉप, why do stop? हाँ? Aditya had put aside some money once 10 years ago in Bharti AXA Life Invest Once, and now when he needs it, he's got maturity benefits. Chalo, let's see story ka end.
But really, thank you so much for today.
Well, we should do this again sometime.
Maybe in another 10 years.
चाहिए तो मैं 5 साल में आ जाता हूँ.
You would have grown even more by then.
Not me, you.
Of course, me. Thank
चलो.
you. Thank you so
Bye-bye.
much. Bye.
आदित्य की तो स्टोरी आपने देख ली, अब जाके अपनी स्टोरी भी लिख लीजिए. By investing just once in Bharti AXA Life Invest Once. फिर देखिए आपकी पांचों उंगलियां घी में. 1. Up to 9% guaranteed additions on maturity. 2. Choice of 10 times life insurance cover. 3. Potential tax benefits. 4. Single pay. And 5th, the flexibility to choose between 5 years and 10 years terms. So, see you. चलिए भाई साहब, टाइम आ गया.